Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the sticker kits, the dashboards, the stamp subscription, and the pouch from the January 2026 Wisdom and Wonder collection. Okay, let's get started taking a look at all of the Wisdom and Wonder sticker kits. I'm going to start with the calendar sticker kit, and this is two lovely sheets that are perfect in our Daisy Weeks notebook or in a Hobonichi Weeks planner. They're sized to fit that size of layout. However, of course, you can use it in other books as well. Just a lovely little bit of, we have dates, icons, some small boxes, cute art, things like that. So that is the calendar sticker kit. And then next up is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. And you guessed it, this sticker kit is for the same notebooks. So either the Hobonichi Weeks planner or our Daisy Weeks notebook, which are just about the same size. And yeah, you can use them however you would like. We have this vellum sheet of stickers, and it has all of these decorative boxes, some dates, and then some washi strip type stickers. Then we have this sheet that has some trackers and then also some decorative rectangles. We have these date boxes, so like you can put the numbers inside these days of the week, and then lots and lots of circle icons, which is awesome. I personally love circle icons. I think that they're just functional while remaining very cute. We also have these rectangle stickers as well. They're beautiful, and then these top ones say January 2026. There is also a sheet of stickers that have both these decorative stickers, so just like individual stickers, and then these headers, menu plan, groceries, this week, next week, and some trackers. And then last but not least, we have these boxes. So a bunch for writing things in, and then a handful that are decorative. So overall, a lot of stickers, just so many. And you can see that in these 6 sticker sheets, you can absolutely use them all month long. So pretty, and lots of choices. So next we have our Daisy add-on sticker kit. And this sticker kit is not designed to go with any particular notebook or planner or anything like that. It is wonderful for just adding a little bit of decorative flair to anything. So even if you already use a sticker kit, if you need some more stickers, or if you just want a little bit of something, this is a great one. Now this last sheet is our vellum sticker sheet, and you can see there are some decorative phrases, a couple of watercolor splotches, and then a handful of the washi type strips. So overall, just a really non-specific kit with lots of very usable elements. And also these sticker sheets, the Daisy add-on, and then the rest that I'm going to show you are all 5x7. So lots and lots of stickers included here. So first up is in the planner sticker kit is our vellum sticker sheet. So you can see there's lots of washi type swatches or strips, and then these little watercolor sort of flourishes, right? They're super cute. And then next up, we have a sheet that has all these different boxes, and these are 1.5 inches wide. So if you're using a planner that is maybe vertical, that has columns that are 1.5 inches, these will fit widthwise. And then you can see, of course, down at the bottom, a handful of washi type strips. We also have some checklists and trackers and dates, just such an incredibly functional yet cute sticker sheet. And I say cute because like some of these boxes have patterns in the backgrounds, so they just absolutely work perfectly with your other stickers. And then we also have another decorative sheet which has lots and lots of boxes, trackers, hydration trackers, and then a handful of headers. And how about a decorative sticker sheet? Lots and lots of decorative stickers of various sizes. So you have larger ones, smaller ones, you have little critters, you have flowers, all kinds of different things. And then last but not least, from the Planner Sticker Kit 5x7 sheets are some headers, some reminders, boxes, things like that. Now, also included in this is a sheet of little bullet point stickers in colors that match the rest of the collection. Honestly, the 6 5x7 sheets and the little small bullet stickers are just so wonderful for functional planning with like some decorative flair. And that is the Planner Sticker Kit. Now we also have the Memory Keeping Sticker Kit. Now I love this one. This might be my personal favorite sticker sheet because I love to use it in my memory planner, which is a big happy planner. These boxes are 2 inches wide, which work in a, you guessed it, big happy planner, but they also work in our daisy planner that also has 2-inch wide columns. So we have these boxes and the labels and a handful of washi type sticker strips. Then we also have some just little phrases. We have the dates, labels, decorative stickers. We have another sheet of full boxes and strips. And remember, these are 2 inches wide. There is a sheet of alphabet stickers, which is wonderful because then you can spell out anything you need to say. And we also have a sheet of decorative stickers as well. So you have little labels down at the bottom and then a whole lot of different stickers just for decor. And a sheet of our vellum stickers that have the phrases, but then plus also a handful of the watercolor splashes. And then last but not least, we have this small little sheet of, I'm going to call them prompts because like focusing on finding joy in choosing more, things like that, like adding those things to your photos or your journaling. So overall, a really, really usable sticker kit for your, I want to say memory keeping, but it also works beautifully for journaling as well, just on a slightly larger scale, which is nice actually if you don't have, maybe you're stumped for things to say, you're not exactly sure what to say, and maybe you want a little bit more decorative so that you don't have as much room for writing. This could also be a wonderful sticker kit for that. All right, next up is our classic cousin sticker kit. This one has boxes that are perfectly sized in width for the A5 Hobonichi cousin. So they're not quite 1.5 inches wide, and they are perfect for using in an A5 planner or a Hobonichi cousin. So we have the decorative sheet, and then we have this sheet of really functional stickers, which has checklists and trackers, and then also some reminders. And then we do have another sheet of boxes, including boxes that you can write appointments or notes in, and a sheet of decorative stickers that are all so beautiful with the different variety of creatures and also florals. Plus at the bottom you can see down here different sort of headers, those types of things. We have another sheet of decorative stickers, or functional stickers, with all of the days of the week, plus some headers and then some icons. And also some alphabet stickers, some dates, and then washi type strips. And then also a sheet of our vellum stickers, which have those phrases and washi type strips down at the bottom as well. So lots and lots and lots of stickers on these 7 sticker sheets. They are 5x7, and like I said, the size is perfect for an A5 planner. They're not too big, they're not too small, they're just really just right. So this is the classic cousin sticker kit. And then our last sticker kit is our Bible journaling sticker kit. This one has lots of different beautiful elements, including a sheet of the decorative stickers. And then we have this sheet that has different phrases and then some labels that you can write what you would like to write on there. A sheet of alphabet stickers. A sheet of lots and lots of different shape labels. So you can absolutely use these in so many different ways. And then we have a sheet of washi type strips and then some date stickers. And last but not least, a sheet of vellum stickers that have a few different scriptures and different little, I guess mostly scriptures, and then some different little watercolor swatches. So overall, just a really beautiful kit for using in your Bible journaling or your scripture planner or any other faith-based project that you are doing. And all of the sticker kits coordinate, of course, beautifully with the art from all of our other kits as well. All right, so next up is our dashboards. If you're unfamiliar with our dashboards, when you subscribe, you receive both sizes. You receive the personal size and the A5 size. They are printed on a nice heavyweight cardstock. They are perfect for, as the name suggests, using as a dashboard in your planner. However, they make so many other projects stand out. They're also beautiful for using around your home, things like that. They really are just a wonderful, wonderful product. Let's take a look at the A5 so you can see the art a little bit more clearly. You can see the January, and I like this too because you could add like stamping or stickers in addition to this beautiful page. Winter wraps the world in quiet magic, reminding us that even the coldest days can carry warmth in their stillness. Such a beautiful, beautiful color palette. Sometimes you need to let go and see what happens. Winter teaches us that wisdom comes not from rushing, but from resting and listening to the hush of the season. And then we have this really cool ledger sheet that also at the top says resolutions. For some reason, I'm just really tickled by this particular one. I also could see that using this one in scrapbooking or journaling, even heck in your planner as like, say, like a spending tracker or something. It's just a really unique and interesting dashboard. So then you can see again in the personal size, they are the same that we just went through, but just scaled down to fit in a personal size planner. These also would work well, I think, in the traveler's notebook, the standard size Daisy notebook. I don't know that for sure, but I'm just looking at it and sort of in a glance. It's not the same size, of course, but I think that they would work really nicely. I can honestly also see using tape and adding these as tip-ins too. Would be very nice. All right, so now let's look at the stamp subscription. This is a great one because it's so celebratory. Lots of celebratory words and then different words that really indicate the start of a new year. So you have help, happy, welcome, hello, cheers, New Year 2026, fresh start, let's do this, celebrate, resolutions, clink, goals, renew, refresh. And then this circle one says out with the old and in with the new. And you could absolutely use these little icons inside of that circle. You know what, you could even put hello and maybe even cheers in there too. I think that would look really cool. Lots of layering options with this stamp set. Our stamp sets also come in these heavy duty plastic sleeves that fit perfectly. And they're just really wonderful. And you really help in storing your stamp sets. All right, so last but not least this month is our pouch. The pouch is stunning. It has this dark navy background with the florals and the owls. It is one of our fabric pouches with, of course, the Cocoa Daisy label, and this month it has a silver tassel, and then this side has the simple little typewriter font that says renew. The pouch, you can see, is quite large. I'm going to stuff a handful of things in there so you can see. Like obviously this 4x6 stamp set goes in there with plenty of room to spare. You can also add some of our 5x7 sticker sheets. I'm just trying to grab one. There you go. So you've got this is the Bible journaling sticker kit. So if you wanted to put, say, your notebook, your stickers, your stamps, a couple pens, and carry them around, they're absolutely perfect inside this pouch. There's tons and tons of room left after adding these items. So this is the last item from the Wisdom and Wonder collection. You can see everything on our website under the subscribe tab, and you can see photos, digital renderings, projects, everything featuring this beautiful collection.